Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a brand new domain using Azure. And so what we need to do is we need to go search for app services domains. So if you search for app services, and then you can click on app services domain. Once you click on that, you have to create brand new app services domain, and then you have to choose your resource group, and then you have to choose your domain name. So if you try to use a domain name that someone is already using, obviously it's not going to work. So you need to come up with a brand new domain name unique to you. So I'm going to choose my domain as I teach skills with S, and then after that it will have your contact information if you want to provide that. And now after that, then you should be able to do it. So let me see if I can make a .com. If I do make a .com, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be there. Yeah. So most of the .com will be taken. So that's why we go with .org. Wait. This one just says available. So it's already taken right now. That is interesting. Yeah, that domain just got taken. I was too late. So now let me choose the itskill.org. I'm going to hit create. It's going to say it's going to be, it's going to be $11.99 a month per year. So my contact information, I think I need to provide a phone number. So let me just provide this. So this domain is going to be iteachskill.org. So I was going to make it skills, but that domain obviously is taken. So it's moving fast. So we're going to buy this one. All right, perfect. So our domain provisioning has been completed. We now own a domain called iteachskill. So auto news disabled, privacy protection enabled. So the private protection, what it does is no one is going to be able to go ahead and just look up and then find our address information and phone number, whatnot. So, and then from this point on, we can manage DNS, which is pretty cool. And we can add this is our name server record, and basically all our records pre-existing right now. So what I can do is now I should be able to edit. It looks like I cannot on this one. Let me see. And we can play around with it. We can set up alert monitoring. It's pretty much the best way to use domain. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video if you find this helpful. And please stay tuned for more videos. Take care.